Imagine waking up, and AI runs most jobs. Scary thought, right? But there's a bright side to this transformation. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing our work. It's changing how businesses operate and defining new job roles. We need to embrace this shift. AI will create jobs we can't even predict yet. These roles will adapt to AI's capabilities, demanding new skills. AI enhances our capabilities significantly. It analyzes vast data quickly, so we focus on what matters: decision-making. Let's talk about income. Some jobs may vanish at first, but new opportunities can lead to higher earnings for skilled professionals. Think about today's data scientists. This role didn't exist 2 decades ago. Now, it's highly sought after and well paid. AI will give rise to similar opportunities. In conclusion, while AI may disrupt some jobs, it opens new paths. To thrive, we must adapt and keep learning. Are you ready for the future? Explore AI skills now and become part of the new workforce.